This is the World Industrial News for Wednesday, April 8th. Brought to you by Industrial Info Resources of Sugar Land, Texas. Opposition to planned data centers is growing across the country, with at least 11 states that have considered enacting moratoria on new facilities. Large crowds have gathered to protest planned data centers. Numerous proposed projects have been canceled or delayed. State utility commissions are instructing electric utilities to insulate residential customers from the financial impact of data center construction. Encore Electric Delivery Company and LCRA Transmission Services recently applied to the Public Utility Commission of Texas to expand their role in the build-out of high-voltage power transmission and distribution capacity in the Permian Basin. The effort would be part of the Permian Basin Reliability Plan, or PBRP, which is designed to add about 300 miles of 765 kilovolt lines to address the rapidly rising electric load growth in the area. Industrial Info is tracking nearly $10 billion worth of active and proposed T&D projects in the Permian area of Texas, including nearly $2 billion worth attributed to the PBRP. The U.S. natural gas markets are largely insulated from the war in Iran. An uptick in pipeline maintenance is curbing the export potential for liquefied natural gas, data show. Rich in shale natural gas, U.S. markets are beholden more to recent weather events than war in the Middle East. The price for Henry Hub, the U.S. benchmark for the price of natural gas, was trading relatively flat before the start of trading Tuesday on Wall Street. Aside from the biggest Strait of Hormuz issues such as oil and natural gas, there is a looming shortage of possibly even greater concern. Significant amounts of agricultural fertilizers and fertilizer components also flow through the now restricted strait. Shortages of these key supplies could affect prices and ultimately food availability should hostilities continue. Baker Hughes has cause to celebrate this week as the company has confirmed an order for 3 compressor units to help transport natural gas from Argentina's Vaca Muerta shale formation to a floating liquefied natural gas plant on the Atlantic coast. The order comes from Southern Energy, a consortium of various companies aiming to move gas from the shale formation to an FLNG plant on San Mataneos Bay near the San Antonio Este port. Industrial Info is tracking the pipeline, compressor station, and FLNG plant, all of which are expected to come together in 2027. For details on these and other breaking news, read the full stories at industrialinfo.com. I'm Christine Ramos, reporting for Industrial Info News.